In example 2, we're given a graph that we're told shows the amount of money the Ransdale family budgets for food each month. And we're asked to write an equation to find the total amount of money C budgeted in any number of months M. And then we're supposed to use that to determine how much money will the family budget, or should the family budget, for an entire year. So first, we need to look at the graph. So go ahead and reference the graph that's just above this video in the course. And we look at the points that are given, and we can see those form a straight line. So what are those points? I'm going to go ahead and make a table from that graph so we can see it more easily. And instead of using X and Y, I'm just going to use months and money. So we can see from the graph we have points of months 1, 2, 3, and 4. And corresponding to those months, the money budgeted is $625, $1,250, $1,875, and $2,500. So again, if we look at the difference in the number of months for our inputs, we're looking at 1 in each instance. So each one of these is per 1 month change. And if we look at the difference over here in the money that's allotted for those number of months, 1,250 minus 625, that's 625. 1,875 minus 1,250, that's 625. 2,500 minus 1,875, that's again 625. And this is a good thing because we should be able to recognize that this means we do indeed have a linear relationship, which we can see from the graph, but this verifies it. We do also want to go ahead and verify that this is a direct variation, or maybe it's not. We do need to verify that to see, are we looking at y equals mx plus b, or are we looking at y equals mx as far as our form is concerned? Now, if we look at this, we can see output to input. We have 625 over 1. Does that equal 1,250 over 2? 1,875 over 3, and 2,500 divided by 4. Yes, all of those equal 625. So our rate of change, or our slope, is $625 per 1 month. So our equation, if we let C equal the cost, which is given in the problem, C equals our rate of change, $625, times the number of months, and we'll go ahead and call that M. Don't confuse that with the M for slope, because our slope is 625. And then we're asked, so this is the first part of the problem, where C equals cost and M equals the number of months, again as given in the problem. So now we want to know, how much do they need to budget for an entire year? Well, that's 12 months. We need to know that 1 year equals 12 months. So our question is, how much for 12 months? With this, we simply substitute 12 in for our M in the equation, months. So C equals 625 times 12 months. And if we multiply that through, again, you can write that out using the by hand methods, or you can use your calculator. Either way, you should get that C equals $7,500. That's a lot of food, but that's what they should budget according to what they are budgeting already for an entire year. They should budget $7,500.